In Luganda, he did go to church. It's going to be teyagenze ku kanisa. Are we together? Teyagenze ku kanisa. Ndowooza tuli ffenna. Okay, let's proceed. So I can speaking English. I can speaking English. This is wrong. Kino kifu nnyo. I can speaking English? No. We say I can speaking changes to speak, because it is in present simple tense. I can speak. You can do it. I can speak English. This is the correct sentence. I can speak English. So I can speak English. Mu Luganda kigenda kuba nsobola okwogera oluzungu. Super. Nsobola okwogera oluzungu. I can speak English. So when you use can here, the verb is in its simple form. I can speak. Nze nsobola okwogera oluzungu. Ndowooza tuli ffenna. Okay. Also, some people say, for instance, I'm going to use the name Anne, and they say Anne is sit on chair. They say Anne is sit on chair. Are we together? Anne is sit on chair. This is wrong, because once you use is, the verb must be in present continuous. For example, Joan is sitting on the chair. So in this case, it's going to be Anne is sitting, because it's doing the action there and then. So the verb changes to present continuous. So this is sitting. Anne is sitting on the chair. This is the correct answer. Anne is sitting on the chair. Mu Luganda kigenda kuba Anne atudde ku ntebe. Are we together? Anne atudde ku ntebe. Tuli ffenna. Anne atudde ku ki? Ku ntebe. Super. Okay, let's go to the next phrase. If I say we what? We leave Uganda. We leave Uganda. Is that correct? We leave Uganda. We leave, the correct answer, egenda kuba, we live in. Kubanga obeera muki? Munda. We live in Uganda. Are we together? We live in Uganda. Mu Luganda kigenda kuba, fe tubeera mu Uganda. Tuli ffenna? Good. Fe tubeera mu Uganda. Ndowooza tukategedde ako. Okay. I saw policeman. Number 5. There is someone who said, I saw policeman. I saw policeman. This one is wrong, because you are specific. You know the specific person you saw. Omanyi omuntu yennyini gw'olaba. So remember, oyogera ku muntu omu musirikale. Nze nalabye omusirikale. I saw, you're missing to be specific. I saw a policeman. Are we together? I saw a policeman. Nze nalabye omusirikale. Nze nalabye omusirikale. I saw a policeman. This is the right sentence. Okay. We are winter season. We are winter season. This sentence is missing something. We are winter season. This is wrong. We are winter season. It's like you are cold this season. Yet you want to say you are in. So you are going to say we are in. We are in. We are in winter season. Tulifena. We are in winter season. Kino mu Luganda kiri ffe tuli mu budde bwa muzira. Ffe tuli we are ffe tuli mu budde bwaki bwa muzira. Ffe tuli mu budde bwa muzira. We are in winter season. Wano oba mutuufu. We are in kubanga oli munda muki mu season eyo. Also some people say they won't play now. Are we together? Number 7. They won't play. They won't play now. They won't play now. Is this sentence correct? Of course, it is missing something. What is missing? They want to. You want to do something. They want to play now. This is the correct sentence. They want to play now. Kati bagala kuzanya. Bagala kuzanya. They want to play now. Bagala kuzanya kati. Because of now. Bagala kuzanya kati. They want to play now. Okay. I am wait for you. Someone can say, I am wait for you. Is this one correct? I am wait for you. First of all, the subject is I. The verb is wait. Object, you are waiting for who? Someone. I am wait for you. No, I am waiting. So I'm missing ing on this verb. It will be, I am waiting for you. This is the correct answer. I am waiting for you. And this in Luganda is nkulinze gwe. I am waiting for you. Nkulinze gwe. Okay, number 9. If I say, she is vomit. She is vomit. Is that correct? No. You are going to say she is vomiting. So you are going to add ing on this verb. She is vomiting. Ali mukusesema. Ye ali mukusesema. Ye ali mukusesema. She is vomiting. Ye ali mukusesema. Okay. Number 10. Some people say they eat yesterday. Someone can say they eat yesterday, but this one is wrong. You say they ate, since you are talking about past tense. So this one is going to be ate. Since kyogerako kyayiseko kyajjo. Yesterday. They ate yesterday. Balidde ejjo. Mu Luganda kigenda kuba balidde ejjo. They ate yesterday. Balidde ejjo. Okay. Those are some of the mistakes people do make when they are speaking out some sentences in English, as we've seen. Okay, let's meet up in the next